Have you ever stayed in a relationship where you felt small? Where every word you said was twisted, and no matter how hard you tried, it was never enough? I did, and for the longest time, I believed that was the problem. There was a person in my life, someone I trusted, cared for, and gave everything to. At first, everything seemed fine, but slowly, little by little, things changed. They started controlling my time, my thoughts, even the way I spoke. And whenever I tried to stand up for myself, they'd turn it around, making me question my own sanity. I stayed, hoping things would get better, but they didn't. And the longer I stayed, the more I lost pieces of myself. Until one night, when I came across a quote by Marcus Aurelius, he wrote, "The best revenge is not to be like your enemy." And those words hit me like a storm. I realized, every time I reacted, argued, or tried to prove them wrong, I was becoming what I hated. I was giving them power over my peace. From that moment, I stopped reacting. I stopped explaining myself to people committed to misunderstanding me. I chose silence, not out of weakness, but out of strength. I realized that true power isn't about winning arguments, it's about controlling your emotions when others try to control you. I practiced what the Stoics call apatheia, not apathy, but inner calmness and clarity. I stopped expecting them to change. I only focused on mastering myself. And you know what happened? The insults lost their power. The manipulation stopped affecting me. I began to heal. That Seneca once said, "We suffer more in imagination than in reality." Most of the pain I carried wasn't what they did. It was what I allowed to stay inside my mind. When I let go, when I stopped fighting battles that weren't worth my peace, I reclaimed my life. If you're trapped in a toxic relationship or any situation stealing your peace, remember this Stoic rule. The best revenge is not to be like your enemy. If this message speaks to you, subscribe to Stoic Scrolls for more timeless wisdom to master your mind and protect your peace.